RENOTEC, roof coating with excellent properties. RENOTEC has a special molecular structure that penetrates deep into the roof tile, repels water and is very resistant to weathering influences caused by rain, frost and sun. If moisture penetrates into porous tiles, ideal conditions for the growth of mosses, lichens, molds, etc. are given. This leads to a deterioration of the surface, cracks and frost damage, resulting serious moisture problems. Treatments with RENOTEC roof coating will extend the lifetime of the roof tiles and will eliminate further surface erosion. It is developed to transform roof from dirty and unattractive to clean and shiny. Why restore roofs with RENOTEC? Extends the lifespan of the roof tiles. Improves the appearance of the roof. Improves the property value. Rebuilds the original surface protection. Real alternative to costly and wasteful total roof replacement. RENOTEC was developed under the latest nanotechnology. It offers the ultimate weather protection for clay tiles, slate, fibre cement, etc. For more information, please visit